to my channel. My name is Abha Sharma and in today's video I'm going to create this festive look because as you know that Diwali is coming, so I thought why not made a video for you guys. So let's get into the video. I'm going to apply LA Pro Girl foundation because after all it's winter time, so I want this look to be a little bit glossy. I'm going to add only 2 pumps. This foundation coverage is very good and it's not matte, it's a little bit creamy, so it's really good for winter time. I have already prepped my skin. The 2 pumps are sufficient and I am dabbing it very light-handedly. I'm going to apply LA Pro Girl concealer and Maybelline concealer as well because this look is going to be full coverage makeup look. So firstly, I am going to apply LA Pro Girl concealer under my eyes to cover all the darkness. Take very little amount of the concealer . I'm applying near my lips area as well, and now I'm going to dab it. Make sure your beauty blender is little bit wet. Now I'm going to apply Maybelline concealer. As you can see, I have applied a very less amount because I want this makeup to be very natural look as well. Now again I will dab it. Don't add too much pressure while dabbing. Dab it very light-handedly. Now I am going to fix this under my eyes. And now comes the eye part. Firstly, I am going to apply white eyeshadow as a base. Then I am going to apply brown eyeshadow to make a fake crease and blend it very light-handedly. Then I'm going to take this pink eyeshadow and apply it. Move the brush in inward direction . The eyeshadow which I picked was a little bit shimmery, so I mixed that with matte pink eyeshadow. I will show you guys later on. I'm just blending the eyeshadow in inward direction. In makeup, blending is the only key you have to learn. As you can see how pretty my eyes are looking. I have picked these two eyeshadows. Now I'm going to add some shimmery eyeshadow in the front. You can apply this eyeshadow with finger as well. In which way you are comfortable, you can apply this. I'm applying this with my finger. As you can see how beautiful this eyeshadow is looking. And it really goes with my outfit too. Now I'm going to fill my eyebrows. I have picked two shades. I have picked brown and black. So no need to worry if you don't have any eyebrows pencil. Now I'm applying on the other eyebrow as well. Now I'm going to fix my base with Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and I'm applying eyeliner, gel eyeliner in shade black. Now I'm applying mascara to lift my eyelashes. If you want to apply fake eyelashes, you can, but I'm not applying any fake eyelashes for this look. Now under my eyes, I'm applying pink eyeshadow, and now I'm applying blusher to my cheeks. Then highlighter on cheekbone, a little bit on the nose, and a little bit on the forehead too. Now I'm doing contouring. I hope you guys like this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So I wish you a very happy Diwali to all of you. Please enjoy and take care of yourself. Thank you.